Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 12th of December. James Spann here, less than 2 weeks away from Christmas, and cold air, it's kind of cool today, but I'm talking really cold air. I think it's going to be a no-show for a while. Let's look out the window. Some of the Skycam shots around the Alpha Skycam network. First off, coming from Gadsden. We note a few raindrops on the lens. Had a bit of light rain and drizzle over East Alabama today, but not much. I don't think anybody's had enough rain to measure. That's the Haleyville Skycam in northwest Alabama's Winston County. Cloudy there, but no rain. And you cross the state line, that's the Skycam at Starkville, Mississippi at the Comfort Suites over on Russell Street. And notice that there's some blue sky up there as we look over Scott Field. And the farther west you go, you get into clear weather. In fact, look at the visible satellite shot. About 30 miles into Mississippi, the clouds end, and you go into clear air over there. So Alabama's socked in with clouds, and clouds off to the east as well. But I think we'll probably begin to see a few breaks in the cloud cover by tomorrow afternoon as that little wave moves on to the east. So we'll maintain the chance of a little light rain or drizzle in scattered spots this evening for East Alabama. But the big storm is that one out west, whopper of a upper trough coming into California. And that is kicking up a fuss out there, as you'll see. First off the radar, this is the Birmingham NEXRAD at 134, and you can see those little spots of light rain and drizzle east of I-65 and south of I-59, basically from Gadsden down to Anniston, down toward Wedowee, a little light rain around Sylacauga, Cropwell, but again, just not much. And again, that should fade away later this evening. Cool today, temperatures upper 40s and low 50s, pretty tightly clustered. In fact, the cool spot down at Auburn, they've got 46 degrees. The warm spots are Huntsville and Tuscaloosa with 53, and Coleman as well. Around the nation, the coldest air is out west and up north, and more than likely that's going to stay that way for a while. There's the watch warning map. We've got issues out west, winter storm warnings for the Arizona and New Mexico mountains. Flagstaff could pick up 2 feet of snow from this thing. What a storm. Freezing rain advisories for parts of the plains and the upper Midwest, but around here things are quiet. Convective outlook, this is day 3, which is Wednesday. Low-end 5% probabilities from Texas up to the Midwest. Kind of a marginal severe weather threat. And I would imagine we'll probably see a slight risk for some of those areas on Wednesday, but it won't really bother us as the dynamics weaken and lift away. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, showing 2 inches around the Arklatex, Shreveport, Texarkana, Tyler, Longview. And in Alabama, it's got almost 1 inch up on the Tennessee border and hardly anything down south. And quite frankly, I don't think we get a lot of rain. Looks like our better chance will be on Friday, as you'll see. Let's look, model fans. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. At that 588 ridge easing in here from the south, and that means we're going to warm up. We should see low 60s. There's the trough in the west, and down below that, I think we'll see a bit of sunshine by afternoon after some morning clouds with low 60s. Go to Wednesday. Showers and storms there from Texas up to the Midwest, but we should be dry, partly sunny. And how about 70? I think with those thickness values, we have a great chance of seeing 70 on Wednesday. It will not feel like Christmas. Thursday, the front trailing that storm is still well to the north and west at midday. Raining around Memphis and Louisville and Cincinnati, but looks like the day Thursday should be dry. And again, we'll be up there around 70. But the showers may be easing in here late Thursday night. And Friday, a dying front. Just kind of a dead duck is in here, and that will produce some chance of showers. But if this is right, not a lot of rain. I mean, rainfall amounts would be under 1/10 of an inch if this is correct. And then Saturday, that front just dissipates. There's the upper flow. New storm back in the southwest. 588 ridge over South Florida. And down below that, again, it's got that weak front in here. But I'd say the chance of a shower Saturday, small. We'll mention a small chance of a stray shower. Otherwise, mostly cloudy. Still very mild. Highs well up in the 60s. And then Sunday, thickness values come down just a smidgen. That would suggest a high on Sunday closer to 60 with a partly sunny sky and no rain as we wrap up the weekend. Go to Monday of next week, that new storm coming out of the southwest. What does it do? Well, it lifts north, really missing us. And that would suggest a dry and mild day. All right, let's dig a little deeper next week. This is the 21st, Wednesday of next week. That's pretty good looking trough, and if that's right, that could be pretty wet. Maybe some thunderstorms involved there. Then we'll go out to Christmas Day. This is 6 a.m. Christmas, Sunday, December 25th. All the kids scurrying down to open those presents when this is happening. If this is right, it would be uneventful. Looks like maybe some showers the day before. Temperatures maybe upper 50s, low 60s, and no real cold air. And again, the odds of a white Christmas have been tiny, and they're pretty much off the board completely now. In the end of the forecast on the 28th of December, pretty good-looking trough to the west, and that's got some cold air involved there. But again, around here, it's just not happening. This pattern just will not allow the really cold air to get down in here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.